Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, we will see how to attach the respiratory effort belts to the Nippy4 in order to analyse patient ventilator asynchronies and upper airway events. The effort belt accessory consists of three parts. Firstly, the effort belt module. This connects directly into the black port on the rear of the ventilator. Secondly, the connector wire cables. Finally, the effort belts themselves. Ensure the thoracic belt is attached around the nipple line, or for women, under the breasts. The abdominal belt should be attached over the navel. Both of the belts can be adjusted to provide a comfortable fit, and you should be able to slide a finger under each belt once ready to use. Once the belts are comfortably on, attach the white connector wires between the thoracic belt and the blue port on the effort belt module. Then attach the red port. When taking the effort belts off, please be sure to remove these connector cables before unclipping the belts. When the effort belts and wires are correctly attached, you will see the effort belt icons on the screen of the ventilator turn from red to white, and the two red lights on the effort belt module turn green. When treatment is started, the effort belt traces will be recorded in line with the patient's ventilator waveforms, and any other monitored values such as SpO2 pulse rate and CO2. The traces of the belts can be viewed on the screen of the ventilator via the patient monitor section of the main menu, or they can be viewed on the Breas PC software. Thank you for listening. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use the Nippy4 Plus, please visit the Education by Breas website.